Today's guest is an incredible guest. Etienne Ortega. He is celebrity makeup artist to the stars, like divas, like all the best people, literally Christina Aguilera, Lana Del Rey, Kris Jenner, Demi Lovato, and so many more. 5 products irreplaceable to you right now. It can be anything you want. I'm going to have you pull it out and I'm going to have you give a little explanation on why they're undupable to you. It doesn't have to be that long because you got a minute. You have 1 minute. And then
for all 5?
For all 5. But then we'll talk about it afterwards. Okay. So let's see how many you can get through and why, and then we'll got to do a little playing because I see some. I got a little sneak peek, and I gotta touch all of them. Okay, go.
First and foremost, Ortega Beauty lip oil and soft contour lip liner. This is the holy grail of lip oils. It just hydrates, smoothens. It's good for your lips, hydrates, and my soft contour lip liner is just timeless and lasts all day, and it has the most beautiful shades, and that's why I love it. I brought this Anastasia Brow Wiz, but anything Anastasia does for brows is always in my kit, and forever I will be loyal to this. Laura Mercier Translucent Powder is my favorite powder, and I've tried all of them, but I keep coming back because she's that girl, you know? That girl. Milk Makeup, the Hydro Grip Primer. I don't love primers. I've said this all the time, but they knew what they were doing with this one for long-lasting applications like being on set, concerts, festivals, whatever, you name it. And last but not least...
keep going. It's okay.
Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I will always also go back to this.
Ooh, I feel like I'm getting like a peek into your kit where I'm
this
like...
This is Ask Freddie.
Yeah.
Am I lying, Freddie?
No lies detected. Okay, so now let's get, because now I'm like, okay, now I have some follow-up questions because there's, okay, the Luminous Silk one. So, because obviously there's so many foundations. So if this was like, this is your one right now that's like, I'm sure you switch everything out, but let's look at her. Okay, because this is a cult fave, but there's, people forget about the cult faves because of all the newness, but this is your guy.
I just stick to what works. Yeah. And I do try foundations all the time. And I am a fan of other ones.
Yes, of course.
Kylie just dropped a really beautiful one that I've been using a lot. But Giorgio Armani, it's
undupable.
It's just undupable.
That's exactly.
You hit it on
it's like, it's not saying other ones aren't good, but undupable.
It's just like,
wow.
It's oil free, and it's just, I think it's silicone based maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
so smooth.
It's buildable. It's not like you could use a little bit of it, a lot of it. It smells good.
It does smell good. Yeah. I forgot about it. I'm not joking. I forgot about it. Like just because, I buy, but that used to be my favorite. And this is reminding me of like, yes, she's that girl. Laura Mercier, is that the translucent one? That's because they have a couple different ones now, obviously, but.
Yeah. Well, this one's actually, I accidentally brought the medium deep, but
they have different tones. That's what I love about them too.
For everybody,
yeah. So
this one's more for deeper complexions, and it's just the texture, the formula. I don't know what it is. But
I know it's one of those. It's another one that, remember when like this was the only translucent powder? Like it wasn't like a thing, for a long time, and now there's so many powders.
Yeah.
But
what's funny about Laura Mercier is that I remember buying it and being like, I don't like this. This feels like chalk.
Yeah.
Or like, I was like, I had all these ideas about it, and then I finally just started playing with it a little more, and then I figured out why, why people love it. And it's airbrush. It just sets the makeup nicely. Like I don't even bake anymore, to be honest. I just stick to the powder.
Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. Okay. Love it. Okay. What's
Hydro Grip?
Hydro Grip. Yeah. You talked about that. That's the one you used on Lana, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one's amazing. Actually, Freddie used it on me today. When he was putting it on. But actually the primer thing, I'm not like a big primer person either.
Yeah.
But I have used that when we've had that. Actually, we've had the minis in our box, and it was like the highest rated product. Like people like lost their mind over
amazing.
It. Yeah, I think it was in our glam bag. I think we've had the mini in the glam bag before, and even that, like it was like a gateway drug.
I've seen brands try to dupe it, but
undupable.
Yeah,
Milk Makeup.
Again, like it's a really great product when you want a long lasting look, and you need it for all day. It just helps your makeup stay
amazing.
And shout out to Bobbi Brown too, though, with the enriched,
the vitamin enriched face base.
That's also, I use that as moisturizer.
I love that
because
stuff.
But it's supposed to be a primer too, but
I
layer those two sometimes.
Okay.
And it just gives you the most gorgeous.
That's the way to go. Okay, I love it.
Finish.
I agree with Anastasia, like brows, just the OG. She's the OG.
She's OG.
Yeah.
I'm wearing this today on
Your
my
brows look amazing.
Thank you.
Yep, yeah. Yeah, she gave us when we were here. So Etienne did makeup for Claudia and Anastasia when they did their icon box. And that was the first time that I met Etienne. And I mean, the glam was stunning, but it was so fun because she was like, Anastasia was like giving tips to everybody. She was like, and she did tutorials for us, but she was like dropping these like dimes. And she's so like, she's so giving and wonderful. She literally had brought an entire Anastasia kit, like everything that they have in their whole line. And she was like, one of her people from her team come over and she says, Anastasia wants to give this all to Etienne and Freddie. Like she wants to give it all. And I was like, okay. So I was like, are you sure? She's like, yeah. And so they pack it and she's like loved them and she wanted, and now you guys work together, obviously. So like,
well, I've known her since I was
young.
23 or 24. Yeah, she used to have, well, she does have at the salon still. I used to work around the corner from the salon. So I would like buy her, I remember this pink blush that she had was my favorite. I wish she still made it.
You're like, Anastasia, look it up.
I've known her for a long time, and Claudia too. And they're amazing.
Yeah,
they're
her brow tips were fire. Okay, that Ortega.
And then of course we have Ortega.
We gotta show it. That packaging stunning.
Thank you.
Look at that ombre blue. And the orange inside. Stop. It's so good. See, this is it. This is that. How
She's
gorgeous. It's so beautiful. The sparkles.
You can have this one.
Oh my gosh. My baby. We have to get like a close up of the sparkles. It's so, I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. Blue agave.
Blue nectar.
Blue nectar. Blue nectar. Look at that.
Oil.
Yes, it's blue. And the packaging's stunning. This is it. Undupeable. This is Undupeable. I love it. She's gorgeous. And then what shade do you have there?
And then the Ortega soft contour lip liner. This one is Adobe. I just grabbed one out, but it's one of my favorites. It's like a very rich.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
It's almost like brickish.
That's so pretty. Yeah, look at it on mine. Put it on mine too so I can.
And look how smooth.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love that because it's like not too pink, not too peach.
Mm-hmm. This one's more of my warmer, on the warmer side.
Yeah, it's a little warmer, yeah.
Because I do have cool tones like LA Chic and Cinnamon Girl are a bit cooler.
Oh my God, but that's so beautiful.
Thank you.
And it's so creamy the way.
Yeah.
Wow.
They stay
okay. No, I love it.
Too.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Bless up. You're the best. Oh my God. Thank you. I can't go over how beautiful this is.
Thank you so much.
The packaging and the glip. It's just I see She's this pretty. Like you think of seeing this on a shelf. You would be like, I want that. You will. I love it. Oh my gosh, Etienne, thank you so much for being here.